Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. And today I'm back here with a brand new series of tutorials of Sales Tracker. So, today in this first tutorial, we learn how to add new products. So, first of all, once you log into your Sales Tracker account, go to Add Product. Now, here you have two options to either add the product manually or to go by bulk upload method. By bulk upload, you can download the Excel sheet format and upload your product data by that Excel sheet. But right now, let's go with manual method. Now, while adding the product, you can also add its categories. So first of all, if you want to add new categories, click on Add New Category. Write the name of the category, and you can also do the bulk upload in these categories as well. So add your categories. Like let's say I can add category as bike, then we can save it. Now, we need to add products in this category. So we can click on select category and select our category as bike. And now in this category of bikes, we'll add multiple bikes. So let's add Harley Davidson X for 40. So that's our product. Now we can write its rate, the pricing of this product, which is let's say 20 lakhs rupees. Now we need to enter the number of units available with us in our stock. So I am having 100 units of this bike in my Delhi city. So then you can select the state and city for this particular product and this much stock as well. And that's how you add the product. So click on the save button and done. I hope you learned something new today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Happy tracking.